Sequence markers. Let's add some markers to a sequence. Open the City Views sequence from the Sequences bin. This is a simple assembly edit with a few shots from a travelogue program. Set the timeline playhead to around 0, 01, 12, 00, and make sure no clips are selected. You can click the background of the timeline or press the Escape key to deselect clips. Add a marker in one of the following ways. 1. Click the Add Marker button at the top left of the timeline panel or the left end of the program monitor transport controls. 2. Right-click the timeline time ruler and choose Add Marker. Or 3. Press M. Premiere Pro adds a green marker to the timeline, just above the playhead. The same marker appears at the bottom of the program monitor. You can use this as a visual reminder of an important moment in time or change it into a different kind of marker. You'll do that in a moment, but first let's look at this marker in the Markers panel. Open the Markers panel. By default, the Markers panel is grouped with the Project panel. If you don't see it there, choose Window Markers. The Markers panel shows you a list of markers displayed in time order. The same panel shows you markers for a sequence or for a clip, depending on whether the timeline, a sequence clip, or the source monitor is active. Double-click the thumbnail for the marker in the Markers panel. This displays the marker dialog box. Notice that the insertion point is already flashing in the name box. Type a comment, such as, "Replace this shot." Click the duration field, the blue numbers, and type 400. Avoid the temptation to press Enter or Return, as this will close the panel. Premiere Pro automatically adds punctuation, turning this into 00000400, 4 seconds, as soon as you click away or press the Tab key to move to the next field. Press the Tab key now so you can review the new setting. Click OK or press Return or Enter. The marker now has a visible duration in the timeline panel and program monitor. Zoom in to the timeline a little and you'll see the text you typed into the name field. The name of the marker is also displayed in the Markers panel. Take a moment to open the Markers menu at the top of the screen on the main menu bar to see the available commands. At the bottom of the Markers menu is the Ripple Sequence Markers command. With this enabled, sequence markers will move in sync with clips when you insert and extract clips. These are editing operations that change the sequence, duration, and timing. With this option disabled, markers stay where they are when your clips move. The menu includes a command with the snappy name Copy-Paste includes sequence markers. With this option enabled, when you copy a section of a sequence that you've selected using in and out points, and then paste that content somewhere else, any sequence markers in the selection are included.